कृपया सर्वे म्यूट कुर्वन्तु। अनुपमा महोदय आरम्भं करोतु।
आं महोदय। ॐ वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहे तेजस्विनाधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहे। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः।
धन्यवादः महोदय।
धन्यवादः महोदय।
अस्तु आरम्भं कुर्मः। Any questions about the homework?
I was asking the question number 3. I still can't figure out what is to be done.
Okay, I will explain.
Okay.
I don't remember what question number 3 is. I will explain after the class. Any questions about the concepts that we learned in the last time? No?
No, that's clear.
Clear. What is question number 3?
It says patam drishtva riktasthanani purayantu. But all answers are there on top, right? Eshaha granthalaya, esha kapatika. What is to be written down? I don't know. I'm not able to understand.
Okay. So in Abhyasa 1, right, in the second half of the page, for Granthalaya, what will it be? Eshaha, Ekavachanam. Granthapalau. So it is Dvivachanam. So what will be the Sarvanama Pada for it? Eshau or Tau.
But it's given on top, no? Everything?
It's just a way for practicing the Sarvanama Padas in all 3 vachanas. So we just started learning Dvivachana, right?
So, no, I understood that, but I'm saying answers are all given on top and we have to just...
Okay, don't look at the answers and do
okay. Fine. Then understood. Okay, if you don't look there, then it's okay. Then makes sense.
It's a good practice.
Okay.
We are all at a very advanced stage now, so you don't need textbooks anymore. That's good. So last week we studied the Sarvanama Shabda in Prathama Vibhakti. Saha Saute, he, those two, all those people. Eshaha, Etau, Ete, he, this person, this male, these two, and all of them. Same way for Strilinga, Sa, Te, Taha, Esha, Ete, Etaha. And then we learned the question form. Kaha, Kauche, Kake, Kaha. And Napumsakalinga, Tatte, Tani, and Kimke, Tani. Finally, we studied the form which lets us do whoever yaha yauye in Pumlinga, yaye yaha in Strilinga, and yatye yani in Napumsakalinga, Ekavachana, Dvivachana, Bahuvachana. So yaha pathati saha chhatraha. So whoever is reading, that's the boy. Yau pathataha tau chhatrau. Those two that are reading, those two males that are reading, they are students. Ye pathanti te chhatra. Those all males that are reading, they are students. Same way for Strilinga, ya, ye, yaha in ekavachana, dvivachana, bahuvachana. Finally, yat, ye, yani, Strilinga, Napumsakalinge, whichever of those two and whichever of many of those. And I think we did the abhyasa also, right? We did the abhyasa. So shloka was, we had 2 shlokas that we had to finish. So let's look at those. So this is a shloka that has the ya, ye, yaha form. So ya is whoever she is. Ye is whoever those 2 females are. Yaha, whoever those many females are. So who wants to do this? Who has never done a shloka or a subhashita?
I will do it, Prashant.
Karotu Mahodaya, Prashant Mahodaya.
Ya Devi, one moment. Ya Devi, it has disappeared. Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Buddhi Rupen Sanstitha Namastasye 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 Namo Namah.
Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu
Bhuteshu or Buddhi?
Typo Bhuteshu.
Bhuteshu.
Bhuteshu. I will fix it. It should be ukara. Dirgha. Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Buddhi Rupena Samsthita Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. So Prashant Mahodaya, Ya Devi, what does that mean?
Ya Devi, as Devi.
Ya, what is Ya?
Ya is like as or that.
Whoever she is, whoever or that female. In this case, it happens to be Devi. So Ya Devi is that Devi or whoever that Devi is.
Whoever that Devi is. Sarva Bhuteshu.
Sarva Bhuteshu. Bhuteshu. Usually when we see the shu form, what does it mean? Rame, in or on. For Rama, what is in or on? Saptami Vibhakti.
On, like in like
Bahuvachana.
Bahuvachana. Rame ekavachanam. Bahuvachanam is
Rameshu.
Rameshu. So Sarva Bhuteshu means in all bhutas. What is bhutas means? Not ghosts or devils, right? Bhuta means
present, past, future. Was it?
No, not like that. Elements, all the elements that make up in all the elements. So that Devi in all those elements, Buddhi Rupena. Usually when you see Ena or Ena, what does it remind you? Vairama. What do you say for Vairama?
Yeah.
Kena.
Ramena. Let Prashant Mahodaya try. If he cannot, let others try. Ramena. Right, Mahodaya?
Yes.
So even Napumsakalinga is Halena. So Buddhi Rupena means by or with the Rupam of Buddhi. Buddhi is mind or intellect. So that Devi in all the elements by the form of or with the form of intellect, Samsthita. We haven't seen this form. Samsthita just means he is present, and this is a Strilinga form.
Be present.
Samsthita is he is present. So Namastasyai is a Santi. We break it as Namaha Sasyai.
I salute you.
So do you remember whenever we see Namaha, what will it be? What form will it take? Ramasya Namaha, Ramena Namaha, Ramaya Namaha. What form will it be?
Ramaya.
Ramaya Namaha. So for Rama. Let me break this. Can you see my screen where I'm about to?
Yes,
type?
now.
So Namastasyai is just Namaha Tasyai. And this is repeated 3 times.
Namastasya, namastasya.
Namo Namaha is nothing but Namaha Namaha. This is a sandhi. So we can ignore how it is formed. Namaha Tasyai, Namaha Tasyai, Namaha Tasyai, Namaha Namaha. So since this is repeated, if we figure out the meaning of one, the rest of it is the same. Namaha. So whenever we have Namaha, it will be the recipient of the Namaha will be in the for form. So Chaturthi Vibhakti. Satyai, we haven't studied it, but Satyai means for that female, Strilinga.
Okay.
Yeah. So that Devi, who is in all the elements in the form of or by the Buddhi form, is present. For her, Namaha, 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 Namaha. I do Naman, I do Naman, I do Naman, I do Naman.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Prashnaha santi va? Anybody has questions on this? Okay.
No, clear.
Let's do one more shloka, this time in Napumsakalinga. Who wants to do this? Whoever has not done it, do you want to try?
I will do.
Karotu Mahoday.
Okay. Yani kani cha papani janmantara krutani cha tani sarvani nashayanti pradakshina pade pade.
Yani kani cha papani janmantara krutani cha tani sarvani nashyanti pradakshina pade pade. Does anybody remember when we say this shloka?
When we go around the temples.
When we are in the
after.
temple, we are right. When we are doing the pradakshina.
Dakshinam.
So Yani is what Vijay Mahodaya?
Looks like Bahuvachan of Napumsalinga.
Right. Yat ye Yani.
Okay.
Whichever or whatever. Kani, we have seen Kani before. Question form. Kim ke Kani.
Okay, Kim ke Kani. Okay. Yeah. Which?
Cha.
Yeah, Bahuvachan. Okay.
Bahuvachan
Cha is
and. Papani.
Okay. Papani is what? Bahuvachan of Papam, is it?
Bahuvachan of Papam. Papani. Same way, Janmantara Krutani.
Janmantara Krutani.
So this is also ending in Na. So Janmantara Krutam Ekavachanam, Janmantara Krutani Bahuvachanam.
But what is Janmantara Krutani?
Janmantara means across Janma.
Okay. Across.
Done. Krutani, whatever has been done. So Yani Kani cha Papani, whichever and whatever papas that have been committed across many lifetimes, across many janmas, Tani, Tatte Tani.
Tatte Tani, that is, yeah, Bahuvachan Tani, okay.
Yes.
Napumsakalingam Bahuvachan.
So it means them.
Then, okay.
Them, right? That and them, or those.
Those, okay.
Uh,
Sarvani means all.
all. Napumsakalinga. Nashyanti means get destroyed.
Gets destroyed. Okay. Nashyanti gets destroyed.
Ah.
Pradakshin, pade pade. Okay. So each step by step when you take the pradikshin.
Pade is padam pade.
Oh, okay. So it's
A. Usually when we get A.
Saptami, is it?
Saptami ekavachana. So
Saptami.
in every step of pradakshina and in every step.
Oh, beautiful.
So whatever papas that I have I have done across all my lifetimes, not just in this lifetime, however lifetimes I have taken, how many other lives I have taken, across all of those, them or those papas, all of them get destroyed by or in each step that I take as a pradakshina.
Oh, very nice, beautiful. Okay.
So usually we say this when we go to the temple and when we are doing the pradakshina. Clear question?
Yeah.
So this is how the yat rupam is used. Yahayoye, yayeyaha, yatiye yani. And this is also a nama padam. Sarvanama pronoun is also a nama padam, not a kriya padam. And so it will have all 7 vibhakti. We saw prathama vibhakti. In next class we will study dvitiya vibhakti of these sarvanama padas. Clear? Manjula Mahode, you had a question about yat. Can you tell me what your question is?
No, I got it, Mahodaya. After I went through the slides, I was clear. Thank you so much.
Shall we move on to the new topic for today?
Yeah.
So we have finished Prathama Vibhakti. Today we will study Dvitiya Vibhakti. So the different forms we have studied. Akaranta Pumlinga was Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha. Ram in Sambodhana, Rama, Ramau, Ramaha. And we have in the past studied Ekavachana and Bahuvachana. Ramam, Raman. So Ramam is to Rama, or where Rama is the object, Karma Pada. And Raman is the Bahuvachanam of the same thing. For Akaranta Strilinga Shabda, we studied Sita, Site, Sitaha, He Site, He Site, and He Sitaha. In the past, we studied karma form of Sita as Sitam and Sitaha. So where Sitam means Ekavachana Karma Pada, Sitaha is Bahuvachana Karma Pada. And Karma Pada is, the name we give is Dvitiya Vibhakti. So Dvitiya Vibhakti is nothing but karma. So that's all. Same way, Nadi, Ikaranta Strilinga Shabda, Nadi, Nadyo, Nadyaha, He Nadi, not Nadi, He Nadi, Hasva, short. He Nadyo, He Nadyaha. And Dvitiya Vibhakti or the karma form we have seen before, Nadim and Nadi. So today we will study the Dvivachana form. And finally, for Napumsakalinga, Akaranta, Phalam Phale Phalani, He Phala, He Phale, He Phalani. And karma form was Phalam Phalani, Aham Phalam Khadami, Aham Phalani Khadami. I will eat a fruit, I will eat many fruits. Today we will study the Dvivachana. We also studied the Vartamana Kala Kriya Pada. Pathati, Pathat, Pathanti, and in the last class we studied the Dvivachana form. Pathati, Pathattaha, Pathanti, Likhati, likhatah, likhanti, and so on. So ekavachana vartamana kala forms all end in ti. Dvivachana will end in saha, and bahuvachana will end in anti. In the last class, we studied the sarvanama pada. Saha taute pumlinga, tate taha, tatte tani in napunsakalinga. That is for far off things. For nearby things, eshaha etau ete, esha ete etaha, etat ete etani in pullinga, strilinga, napunsakalinga. Same way, the question form, kaha kauke, kake kaha, kinte kani, pullinga, strilinga, napunsakalinga. And finally, Vadati. Somebody asking a question? For whoever, whichever, yaha yauye, we just did the shlokas, yaye yaha, yasye yani. We didn't study this. We have to study this. One more topic was left. Let's look at this. So we studied in the past aham and vayam. Aham means I, ekavachanam. Vayam is we all, bahuvachanam. We didn't study the dvivachanam, so let us study that. Aham patham pathami. I am studying a lesson. Vayam patham pathamaha. We are studying a lesson. So aham, when you have aham, the kriya pada will end in ni. And when it is vayam, the kriya pada will end in maha. So even if you don't have vayam, if the sentence just reads as patham pathamaha, it means vayam only. The karta is vayam only. So whenever you see any vartamana kala kriya pada ending in maha, then the karta will always be vayam. Same way, whenever the kriya pada ends in ni, the karta will always be aham. So in many shlokas and many sentences, aham or vayam are not always written. So patham pathami, patham pathamaha. So from that we can always safely know that if it ends in ni, karta is aham. If it ends in maha, karta is vayam. Ekavachana, bahuvachana. So in dvivachana, avam patham pathavaha. Avam means we two, whoever is a speaker and one other person. Avam patham pathavaha. So in ekavachana it was pathami, bahuvachana pathamaha. Same way in dvivachana pathavaha. Avam patham pathavaha. Aham annam khadami, vayam annam khadamaha, ekavachana and bahuvachana. In dvivachana, avam annam khadavaha. Avam abhyasam likhavaha. So if you notice, the kriya pada ends in vaha, vaha, vaha. In ekavachana, kriya padam ends in ni. Dvivachana it ends in vaha. Bahuvachana it ends in maha. Again, if the sentence just reads as patham pathavaha, it will apply only to avam as the karta and nobody else. It's not saha patham pathavaha or tau patham pathavaha or aham patham pathavaha. Those are all wrong. Avam, whenever you see pathavaha, whenever you see a kriya pada ending in vaha, the karta is avam. So we too are reading a lesson. We too are eating annam. We too are writing the abhyasam. Questions? Okay. So aham, avam, and vayam, these forms, they don't really, the linga doesn't apply, right? I is I. It's the same whether it is a male talking or a female talking or a napumsakalinga talking. Aham is aham. Same way vayam is vayam. Avam is avam. So it applies whoever, whether it's Pumlinga, Napunsakalinga or Strilinga.
So it's like the Trishu Lingeshu.
Trishu Lingeshu means in all three lingas it's the same. Satya. So to recap, sorry, this shouldn't say Pumlinga. It should be all three lingas. Actually, so the Prathama Vibhakti form, the Karta form is Aham, Avam, Vayam. I is as the Karta, we too as the Karta, Vayam, we all as the Karta, three or more people as the Karta. And to recap, the Kriya Pada, Ekavachana Pathami, Bahuvachana Pathamaha, and Dvivachana Pathavaha. Khadami, Khadavaha, Khadamaha, Likhami, Likhavaha, Likhamaha, Vadami, Vadavaha, Vadavaha, and so on. So again, Ekavachana, Kriyapada ends in ni, Dvivachana ends in vaha, Bahuvachana ends in maha. So these three are slightly different. They don't follow the exact pattern. Pibami, I mean the ending is still the same. Pibami, Pibavaha, Pibamaha, Shrunomi, Shrunuvaha, and Shrunumaha. Karomi, Kurvaha, not Kuruvaha or Kuravaha or something like that, and Kurmaha. Karomi, Kurvaha, Kurmaha.
Manu Mahadaya.
Vadatu Mahoday.
Dvivachanam pibami, pibavaha, pibavaha.
Typo Mahoday.
Oh, it's typo. Okay, sorry, Mahadaya.
Pibavaha. Let me make it full screen. Ba, I just fixed it. Ba, it should be ba. Let's do an abhyasa. Srividya Mahoday.
In the last slide, this kurma, before kurma, this is kurvaha. This is correct?
This is correct. Kurvaha. Karomi, I will do. Kurvaha, we too will do, or we too are doing. Kurmaha, all of us are doing. Shrunomi, I am listening. Shrunuvaha, we too are listening. Shrunumaha, we are all listening.
Okay, thank you.
Srividya Mahoday. First do Ekavachana and then do Dvivachana and Bahuvachana.
Aham Vastram Prakshalayami. Vayam. I am cleaning the clothes.
I am cleaning the cloth.
Vayam Vastrani.
Let us keep this as Ekavachana only. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
Because Kriya changes only with Karta, not with Karma. We know that, right? You remember that.
Okay. Vayam Vastram Prakshalayavaha. Prakshalaya Maha. Prakshalaya Maha. Avam Vastram Prakshalaya Vaha.
Vaha. Let us do in the same order. Eka, Dvi and Bahu. Pathami, Pathavaha, Pathamaha, Prakshalayami, Prakshalayavaha, Prakshalaya. Astu, Uttamam. Usha Mahoday.
Aham rotika pachami.
So will it be rotika or rotikam? This is the karma. This is karta, this is karma, this is kriya.
Okay. Aham rotikam pachami. Avam rotikam pachavaha. And vayam rotikam pachamaha.
Uttamam. Anupama Mahoday.
Mahodaya. Aham ganam shrunomi. अहम गानं शृणोमि
Hmm.
वयं I have to do it in
शृणोमि शृणुवः
शृणुवः शृणवः
हा,
शृणुवः शृणवः
हा. अहम्
आवां गानं शृणवः
Hmm.
वयं गानं शृणुमः
हा. अहं गानं शृणोमि आवां गानं शृणुवः वयं गानं शृणुमः.
शृणुमः
I am listening to a song, we two are listening to a song, we are all listening to a song. उत्तमम्. हेमन्ती महोदय.
नमस्ते।
नमस्ते.
अहं नाटकं पश्यामि।
Hmm.
आवां नाटकं पश्यावः।
Hmm.
वयं नाटकं पश्यामः।
उत्तमम् उत्तमम्. भवानी महोदय.
अहं गृहकार्यं करोमि। आवां गृहकार्यं कुर्वः। वयं गृहकार्यं कुर्मः।
उत्तमम्. अहं गृहकार्यं करोमि आवां गृहकार्यं कुर्वः वयं गृहकार्यं कुर्मः. So करोमि is a special form. करोमि कुर्वः कुर्मः. उत्तमम्. प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा? नो चेत् अग्रे सरामः. So going back to the recap, this is the problem when you copy paste things. Okay. Linga doesn't apply. So in Prathama Vibhakti, aham, avam, vayam, I, we two, we all. So let us look at, in the past we have seen asti and santi. Asti is what?
Is there.
Exist. Ekavachan.
Ekavachanam is or is there or present. Exists. Santi is
are there.
Bahuvachan.
Satyam. So today let us look at the Dvivachana. Devaha mandire asti. God is in the temple. Devaha mandire santi. Gods are in the temple. In Dvivachana, Devau mandire saha. So asti saha santi. So Devaha akaranta bhumlinga. We know Bahuvachana is Devaha. We also studied Karta, Prathama Vibhakti, Dvivachanam is Devau. So Devaha, Devau, Devaha. Asti saha santi. So that is Pumlinga. Same way Strilinga, Balika Vidyalaye asti, Balikaha Vidyalaye santi, Ekavachana and Bahuvachana. In Dvivachana, Balike Vidyalaye saha, asti saha santi. So just like asti and santi, they were not dependent on whether it is Pumlinga, Strilinga or Napumsakalinga. The Dvivachana also is not dependent. So Devaha asti, Balika asti. Devau saha, Balike saha. Amraphalam asti, Amraphalani santi, and Amraphale saha. Asti saha santi. One Amraphalam, one mango is delicious. Many mangoes are delicious. Two mangoes are delicious. So to recap, asti saha santi. We already studied asti and santi. In Dvivachana, saha. And how do we say for myself? I am. So we would say asmi, right? Aham, if you remember, we had a homework also. Aham vaidya asmi, aham vaidya asmi, aham gruhini asmi, etc. So it just means aham asmi means I am. Asmi, am. Vayam maha, we are. Dvivachana is vaha. Avam, we too are. Aham chhatraha asmi, I am a student. Vayam chhatraha maha, we are all students. Avam chhatrau vaha, we too are students. So asmi vaha maha. And again, this is Uttama Purusha. We are talking about either myself, we too, or many of us. So linga doesn't apply. I is I. In English also, I is I, whether it's a man saying or a woman saying or a object saying. So that's why aham vaidya asmi, I am a female doctor. Vayam vaidyaha smaha, we are female doctors. So if there are two female doctors, avam vaidye vaha. So chhatraha asmi, vaidya asmi. Pumlinga, Strilinga. Asmi remains the same. So asmi vaha maha. Same way, Napumsakalinga. Aham mitram asmi. I am a friend. Vayam mitrani smaha. We are all friends. Avam mitre swaha. We too are friends. Again, mitram asmi. Mitrani smaha. Mitre swaha. Asmi swaha swaha. So regardless of the linga, the kriya pada does not change. As always, as always. Prashnaha santi va?
So Bhanu Mahodaya, this is for Uttama Purusha, and previously Staha was for Prathama Purusha.
Correct. This was for Prathama Purusha. Other.
Okay.
Let me go there. Where was it? Prathama Purusha. Other. He asti. It is there, or he parvataha asti. That mountain is there. Parvatau taha. Two mountains are there. Parvataha santi. Many mountains are there. So we are talking about somebody, not me, not you, but somebody else. Third person. Third person is called Prathama Purusha in Sanskrit. This one is Uttama Purusha, about myself. Asmi, I am. Aham chhatra asmi, I am a student. Avam chhatrau vaha, we too are students. Vayam chhatraha maha, we are all students. So in this case, Uttama Purusha, we are talking about ourselves. Clear? We will do Abhyasa, it will become clear.
Madhya Purusha you have not taken?
Madhyama Purusha we will do a little later. That is slightly confusing. So let's finish this part.
Okay.
We will certainly do it.
Okay.
Bhanu, this one is aham mitram asmi, ayam mitrani smaha, and the last for two it would be mitre. This is okay. Now it's okay.
Mitram, mitre, mitrani. You remember this?
Phalam phale phalani. Yes.
Phalam phale phalani.
But
Bhanu
Mahodaya, this is the karma form of mitre. Na? We didn't actually need to make, this is karta.
Karta is aham.
So mitre is we didn't, okay, because we are two friends, that's why. Okay. So karma will also change the vachan in some ways.
Oh, we haven't done it. Okay. I see what you're saying. Karma. Okay. We should have done this after. Okay.
But we have done, effectively we've done, but that's why, okay. But the karma should also change the vachan along with the karta, because we are equating it in this case. Yes. So I was confused with that. why are we changing karma's form? But that will change because the verb is. That's why we are changing. Yeah. We two are two friends. That's why we.
Correct. We two are two friends. We are all many friends. And I am a friend. You are right. We didn't do the karma dvachana. Let us do that first, and then we will do the abhyasa. So we have seen karma pada is in Dvitiya Vibhakti. So, or another name for Dvitiya Vibhakti, well, it's not really another name, but we have seen karma pada is in Dvitiya Vibhakti. So, Chhatraha Patham Pathati. The boy reads the lesson. Janani rotikam pachati. The mother makes a roti. Shishuhu dugdham pibati. The baby drinks milk. Patham. So pathaha becomes patham. So akaranta pumlinga. Pathaha is prathama vibhakti ekavachana. Dvitiya vibhakti ekavachana will be patham. Karma padam ekavachanam. Patham. Same way, rotika, akaranta strilinga. In karma pada form, it will be rotikam. Dugdham, milk, napumsakalinga, it will remain dugdham only. So this is nothing new. We have seen this. Patham, rotikam, dugdham. Correct?
Yes.
And we also, if you remember, we studied that the vachanam of the karma padam, it will not affect the vachana of the kriya padam. So, chhatraha patham pathati, chhatraha pathan pathati. So the boy reads one lesson, the boy reads many lessons. So, pathati will become pathanti when
Karta
changes. So if I want to say pathanti, I would say
Chatraha
pathanti. And if I want to do dvivachana,
Chatrau Patham Patataha.
Uttamam. So in all three cases, the patham remains patham so pathati becomes patataha or pathanti only because chhatraha becomes chatrau or chatraha. So the kriya padam, the vachana will change only with the karta. It will not change with the karma pada. This is nothing new. So even in this case, chhatraha pathan pathanti. Chhatraha patham pathanti. So whether it is patham or pathan, as soon as chhatraha becomes chatraha, pathati changes to pathanti. So the same logic applies to dvivachana also. But before that, let us look at what are the dvivachana forms of the karma pada or dvitiya vibhakti. Chhatraha patham pathati. The boy reads one lesson. Chhatraha pathan pathati. The boy reads many lessons, or the student reads many lessons. Dvivachana form of patham is pathau. Chhatraha pathau pathati. The student studies two lessons. Patham, pathau, pathan. This is akaranta pumlinga shanta. Pathaha pumlinga. Same way, chhatraha katham pathati, ekavachana karma pada. Chhatraha kathaha pathati. The student reads many stories. Akaranta strilinga. So we saw katha becomes katham when it is a karma pada in ekavachana. And katha becomes kathaha in bahuvachana, karma pada. Remember this? Katham kathaha. Now we are adding the dvivachana. Chhatraha kathe pathati. The boy reads, the student reads two stories. Likewise, for ikaranta strilinga, does anybody remember the Ekavachana and Bahuvachana forms in Prathama Vibhakti? Karta form? Ankani?
Nadi and Nadyah.
No, Nadi.
Nadi.
Nadyau Nadyah.
Satyam. Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyah. In karma form, Nadim and Nadihi. Remember that?
Yes. Nadihi.
Nadihi. Nadim, Nadihi. In Dvivachana, it will be Nadyau or Ankanyau. So, Balika Ankanim Anayati. The girl brings one pen. Balika Ankanihi Anayati. She brings many pens. Balika Ankanyau Anayati. She brings 2 pens. Phalam, Phala Shabda, Ekavachana, sorry, Prathama Vibhakti forms are
Phalam.
Phalam and Phalani.
Phalam, Phale, Phalani. Since we studied Dvivachana also, let us revise that also. Let us say that also. Phalam, Phale, Phalani. 1 fruit, 2 fruits, many fruits. In the Karma Pada, the Karma form, we studied Phalam and Phalani. And 2 fruits in Karma form is Phale. Balakaha phalam khadati. Boy eats 1 fruit. Balakaha phalani khadati. Many fruits. And phale khadati. He eats 2 fruits. So if we put it together, pathan we had seen as karma form. Pathau we learned today. Same way, akaranta strilinga, katham, kathaha we had studied. Dvivachana is kathe. Ankanim, Ankanihi, now Ankanyau. Nadim, Nadyau, Nadihi. Sitam, Site, Sitaha. Ramam, Ramau, Raman. Phalam, Phale, Phalani.
This Katam is Nabumsalinga?
Tatha.
Strilingam.
Katha.
Akaranta Strilinga. Tatha.
Strilinga.
Akaranta Strilinga.
Visarga is there, that's
correct. Just because Visarga is there doesn't always make it.
Yeah, I agree. That was a doubt here.
Luckily for us, Phalam, the Napumsakalinga form, does not change. It's the same in Prathama Vibhakti and Dvitiya Vibhakti, or Karta form and Karma form. Phalam Phale Phalani, Phalam Phale Phalani. Clear?
Yes.
So, Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha, Prathama Vibhakti, Ramam, Ramau, Raman. So if you notice, the Dvivachana form is the same for Akaranta Pumlinga Shabda. Ramau, Ramau. And it is the same for Sambodhana also. Ramau, Ramau, Ramau. So Dvivachana form is very easy. There are only 3 forms. Prathama, Sambodhana and Dvitiya are the same. Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Vibhakti, they are the same. Shashti and Saptami, the forms are same. So that's why we keep with Dvivachanam for the last, because it's very easy to learn. Same way. Sita, Site, Sitaha, Prathama Vibhakti. Dvitiya Vibhakti, Sitam, Site, Sitaha. You notice Dvivachana, same, Site, Site. And in this case, Bahuvachana also is the same. Sitaha, Sitaha. Here, Sitaha is Karta. Many Sitas are doing something. Sitaha. Here, many Sitas are in the karma form or the recipient of action. Ramaha, Sitaha, Pashyati. Rama sees many Sitas. Sitaha, Ramam, Pashyanti. Many Sitas see one Rama. Something like that. Ikaranta Strilinga. Nadi, Vadat. Somebody had a question? Okay. Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyah, it was in Prathama Vibhakti or Karta form. Nadim, Nadyau, Nadihi in Dvitiya Vibhakti form.
First one is Nadya or Nadyai?
Nadyau. Oh, I see what you're saying. I don't know how I made so many typos. Chanyasam. Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyah, Nadim, Nadyau, Nadihi. Again, Dvivachana is the same. Nadyau, Nadyau. And it happens to be the same for Sambodhana also. And finally, Napunsakalinga Akaranta form. Prathama Vibhakti, Phalam Phale Phalani. Ditya Vibhakti also Phalam Phale Phalani. So lucky Napunsakalinga is the easiest. If you just learn Phalam Phale Phalani in Prathama Vibhakti, Ditya Vibhakti is the same. And from Tritiya onwards, we saw that it is the same as Pumlinga form. Right? Phalena Phalaihi, Phalaya Phalabihi, and so on. Same as Ramena, Ramaya. So same way, Phalena, Phalaya, Phalasya, Ramasya, Phale, Rame. So Napunsakalinga is the easiest to learn. Prashnaha santi va?
Nasti.
So let us do abhyasa. So in this, since you karta karma kriya, since you are revising or relearning karma form or Dvitiya Vibhakti, convert the box in the middle into Ekavachana, Dvivachana and Bahuvachana. Surendra Mahodaya, Prathamam Karoti. And these are all in Pumlinga form. Surendra Mahodaya, Siva. Correct.
Draupadi Pandavaha Drushtavati.
So Pandavaha is in the Prathama Vibhakti form.
Yes.
Converted into Karma form.
Draupadi Pandavam Drushtavati.
What is the meaning?
Draupadi looks at the Pandav.
One Pandava.
One Pandav, yes.
So convert this into Dvi and Bahuvachana.
Draupadi Pandavau Drushtavataha.
Draupadi is Ekavachana. So
Ekavachana.
Vachana of Kriya will follow the Vachana of Karta. So if Draupadi is Ekavachana, Kriya will also be Ekavachana.
Ekavachana Drushtavati.
Drush will remain Drushtavati only. So we are only changing the Vachana of the Karma Pada. Only this middle.
Okay. Draupadi Pandavau Drushtavati. And Draupadi Pandavan Drushtavati.
Uttamam. Draupadi Pandavam Drushtavati. Draupadi sees one Pandava. Draupadi Pandavau Drushtavati. She sees two Pandavas.
She sees two Pandavas. And Draupadi Pandavan Drushtavati. She sees many Pandavas. All Pandavas.
Many Pandavas. Uttamam. Uttamam. Hemanti Mahodaya.
Vayam Gramam Gachamaha. Aham.
No. Keep this. No. Keep this the same. Don't change anything here. Only change.
Okay. Yes.
Karma to Dvivachana and Bahuvachana.
Vayam Gramau Gachamaha. Vayam Graman Gachamaha.
Vayam Gramam Gachamaha. We are going to one village.
Vayam Gramau Gachamaha. So we're going to two villages. And Vayam Graman Gachamaha. We're going to many villages.
पाण्डवं पाण्डवौ पाण्डवान् ग्रामं ग्रामौ ग्राम कविता महोदय
सा पर्वतम् आरोहति सा पर्वतौ आरोहति सा पर्वतान् आरोहति
उत्तमं सा पर्वतम् आरोहति मीनिंग
he is climbing one mountain सा पर्वतौ आरोहति he is climbing two mountains सा पर्वतान् आरोहति he is climbing many mountains
three or more ठीक है three or more पर्वतं पर्वतौ पर्वतान् ग्रामं ग्रामौ ग्रामान् पाण्डवं पाण्डवौ पाण्डवान् उत्तमम् now let us try the same exercise in Strilinga. So here the box in the middle is karma pada in Strilinga. You have to or it's given in prathama vibhakti, so convert it into karma form in ekavachana, dvivachana and bahuvachana. Keep the box in green as it is and nothing will change in the third box in blue. चैत्र महोदय
महोदय एषः मालां रचयति she is not malam rachayati sorry so malam gumfati malam gumfati she is stringing the flower garland eshah male gumfati she is stringing two flower garland eshah malaah gumfati she is stringing many flower garlands
he
sorry not he
that's fine this is more important our focus is here eshah malam gumphati not pa eshah malam gumphati eshah male gumphati eshah malah gumphati uttamam विराज महोदय
रामः कवितां रचयति रामः कविते रचयति रामः कविताः रचयति Rama writes or creates kavita rachayati then Rama creates two kavita then many
so Ramah kavitam rachayati kavite rachayati kavitaah rachayati one kavita two kavitas many uttamam Madhuri महोदय तृतीयं करोतु
Ramah Janani.
No, Ramah is over. Ramah
sorry,
is over.
Mahila. Mahila Darvim Prakshalayati.
Wait. Say this again.
Mahila Darvim.
Darvim.
Darvim Prakshalayati. Mahila Darvyo Prakshalayati. महिला
दर्वीः नदीं
महिला नदीः महिला दर्वीः प्रक्षालयति
दर्वीः नदीं नद्यौ नदीः दर्वीं दर्व्यौ नदीं नद्यौ नदीः दर्वीं दर्व्यौ दर्वीः
दर्वीः
उत्तमम् महिला दर्वीं प्रक्षालयति she washes one darvi serving spoon darvim prakshalayati darvyau prakshalayati two and darvihi many uttama ramesh mahoday
शिक्षकः छात्रां पाठयति शिक्षकः छात्रे पाठयति शिक्षकः छात्राः पाठयति
उत्तमम्
A teacher is teaching the student, teacher is teaching the two students, teacher is teaching many students.
Female students specifically.
Female students.
शिक्षकः छात्रां पाठयति छात्रे पाठयति छात्राः पाठयति उत्तमम्
धन्यवादः
भाग्य महोदय
सा लेखनीं क्रीतवती.
Okay, that is fine. So this should have gone with Ramaha or Janakaha or something like that. But that's fine. Kritavati is fine. Our exercise is in this middle box. Okay. Sa lekhanim kritavati. Uttamam.
Sa lekanyau kritavati. Sa lekanihi kritavati.
Uttamam. सा लेखनीं क्रीतवती सा लेखन्यौ क्रीतवती सा लेखनीः क्रीतवती नदीं नद्यौ नदीः उत्तमम् नदी सन्दीप महोदय अन्तिमं करोतु
जनकः जननीं नमति other says respects to mother.
Okay.
Gives respect to her. So, Janakaha Jananyau Namati. And Janakaha Jananihi Namati.
Father does naman to his mother. Jananim namati. Jananyau namati. Jananihi namati. To his many mother or his two mother.
Too many mothers.
Too many mothers. Jananim ekavachanam. Jananyau two mother. Janani many mothers. Last one is napumsakalinga. Who has not had a turn?
Shall I do Mahodaya?
Manjula Mahoday. Karo.
Forgotten me. Balakaha. Phalam. Khadavaha.
Vaha. When is Vaha? When does Vaha? Vayam. When it is Vayam, when we are all the karta, the kriya pada ends in Vaha. So it cannot be this one.
Balakaha phalam anitavan.
ठीक है.
Phalam phale phalani. Balakaha phale.
वदतु
बालकः फले आनीतवान् फले फलं फले फलानि बालकः फलानि आनीतवान्
तो फलं बालकः फलम् आनीतवान् फले
is bringing
आनीतवान् भूतका brought भूतकाय Anitavati.
He has brought one fruit, two fruits, and phale is two fruits. Phalani many fruits.
Uttama. Thank you. Bala Mahodaya.
Avam phalam khadavaha. Avam phale khadavaha.
आवां फलानि खादावः means we too eat one fruit, we too eat two fruits, we too eat many fruits.
उत्तमम् उत्तमम्।
धन्यवादः।
मीरा महोदय अन्तिमं करोतु।
तौ गृहकार्यं कुरुतः। तौ गृहकार्ये कुरुतः। तौ गृहकार्याणि कुरुतः।
अर्थः कः?
तौ is those two. गृहकार्यं homework. Kurutaha, two are doing homework.
One homework.
One homework, and those two are doing two homeworks, Griha Karye, and those two are doing many homeworks.
सत्यं। फलं फले फलानि, गृहकार्यं गृहकार्ये गृहकार्याणि, पुष्पं पुष्पे पुष्पाणि। अस्तु, प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा? So let us go back to where we started, here. So this is where we took a diversion. Aham छात्रः अस्मि, वयं छात्राः स्मः, आवां छात्रौ, छात्रः छात्रौ छात्राः। I am a student, we are students, many students, avam, we too are students, asmi, swaha, smaha, am, we too are, smaha, many of us are. Same way, aham vaidya asmi, I am a female doctor, vayam vaidyaah smaha, we are many female doctors, avam vaidye swaha, we are many two female doctors. Aham mitram asmi, I am a friend, vayam mitrani smaha, we are many friends, avam mitre swaha, we are two friends. Asmi swaha maha, this is for uttama purusha when we are talking about ourselves. Chhatrah chhatrau chhatraha, dvitiya vibhakti karma padam. Vaidya vaidye vaidyaha, mitram mitre mitrani. Clear? प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा? So अस्मि, स्वः, स्मः. I am, स्वः, we too are, स्मः, we all are. Just like for prathama purusha, अस्ति, सः, सन्ति. For uttama purusha, अस्मि, स्वः, स्वः, स्मः. Let us do one more exercise. Narayanan Mahodaya. Narayanan Mahodaya.
सः ग्राहकः अस्ति.
So सः ग्राहकः अस्ति. Convert. Now this time convert karta into dvivachana and bahuvachana.
तौ ग्राहकौ स्तः. ते ग्राहकाः सन्ति.
उत्तमं. सः ग्राहकः अस्ति, तौ ग्राहकौ स्तः, ते ग्राहकाः सन्ति. उत्तमम्.
Anumoda, it will be saha grahakam asti, no? Or grahakah?
Grahakah only.
Not grahakam?
Not grahakam. It's not karma pada.
Achha.
I will explain why in a future class. Maybe I should have chosen a different example. अस्तु. एतत् करोतु सन्दीप महोदय. Actually, No, you know what? Astu, करोतु.
Aham gruhe asmi. I am in the house.
द्विवचन aham.
Avam gruhe swah. Vayam gruhe smah.
अहम गृहे अस्मि, आवाम गृहे स्वः, वयम गृहे स्मः. I am in the house, we two are in the house, we are all in the house. हेमन्ती महोदय अस्ति वा? नास्ति. सुरेन्द्र वदतु.
एकं प्रश्नं कर्मपदस्य क्रियापदस्य साक्षात् सम्बन्धः नास्ति खलु. कर्मपदस्य कर्तृपदस्य सम्बन्धम् अस्ति वा?
In what way? वचनसम्बन्धं नास्ति. अहं पुस्तकं पठामि. अहं पुस्तकौ पठामि. अहं पुस्तकान् पठामि. I am reading one book, I am reading two books, I am reading many books. So there the kriya changes, kriya stays the same regardless of karma. Now instead of aham, if the karta is saha, saha pustakam pathati, tau pustakam tau pustakau pathastaha. No. Let's take a simpler example. Saha pustakam pathati, sa pustakam pathati. Whether it is saha or sa, pustakam remains pustakam. It doesn't change. Saha pustakau pathati, sa pustakau pathati. She reads one book, two books. He reads two books. So whether it is saha or sa, it has not affected either the kriya or the karma. Same way, if it is aham pustakam pathami, saha pustakam pathati, sa pustakam pathati, te pustakam pathati. Many people are reading one book. We can say that also. So karma and karta, there is no direct relationship like that.
In that way, कर्मपदं सदा क्रियापदस्य सम्बन्धं नास्ति वा?
In vachana there is no sambandha.
Okay.
In vachana there is no sambandha.
धन्यवादः.
हेमन्ती महोदय अस्ति वा? नास्ति. सुरेन्द्र महोदय.
I want to skip actually.
You want to skip? Okay.
Yeah.
I'll try.
Try करो. प्रयत्नं करो.
सा अग्रजा. No.
सा अग्रजा अस्ति.
Okay. सा अग्रजा अस्ति. Then te. द्विवचन, right? ते अग्रजे अग्रजे स्तः. Then तः अग्रजाः सन्ति.
सा अग्रजा अस्ति. ते अग्रजाः स्तः. अग्रजे स्तः. ताः अग्रजाः सन्ति. She is the elder sister. Those two are elder sisters, and these are all elder sisters. अनुपमा महोदय अन्तिमं करोतु.
आं महोदय. कदलीफलं रुचिकरम् अस्ति. कदलीफले रुचिकरं अस्ति स्तः
अस्ति स्तः सन्ति
सन्ति कदलीफले रुचिकरं स्तः कदलीफलानि रुचिकरं सन्ति
फले not फले कदलीफलं रुचिकरम् अस्ति one banana is tasty कदलीफले रुचिकरं स्तः two bananas are tasty कदलीफलानि रुचिकरं सन्ति all the bananas or many bananas are tasty प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा?
महोदय
वदतु महोदय।
कदलीफले रुचिकरे स्तः, is it wrong?
Probably because even in English or our languages, when we say something is tasty, we don't use bahuvachana form of tasty, right? It's an adverb, adjective, sorry. Adjective. In English also, the banana is tasty, two bananas are tasty, many bananas are tasty. How do you say in Kannada?
ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣುಗಳು ರುಚಿಯಾಗಿವೆ. So
ruchi will change or not?
Ruchi doesn't change, but I'm just wondering, if you do that way, change everything to dvivachana or dvitiya vibhakti, this one is it wrong?
I should have chosen a different example. I will be careful next time. Ruchikaram probably is not the right example here, but it doesn't change because tasty is tasty whether you apply it to one, two or many.
Okay, धन्यवादः महोदय।
एक प्रश्नः अस्ति महोदय।
पृच्छतु महोदय।
सा अग्रजा अस्ति, किमर्थं सा अग्रजा अस्ति?
She is an elder sister or she is the elder sister.
Okay, so then in that case sa and asti can change. Will the agraja change?
No, agraja will not change. Again, I picked the wrong example. I should have put karma padam here. This is confusing. I agree. Actually, sa and agraja, they are in visheshana vishesha form. One is an adjective of the other. Same way, kadali phalam and ruchikaram, it is visheshana vishesha. Sa agraja visheshana vishesha bhava. So I picked the wrong example.
So it could be te agraja staha also.
No. If you change sa to te, agraja will become agrajaha. Because they have to match in vachana.
Mahodaya, vishesha vishesha bhava, the linga vachana will change, right? But depending upon the context, right?
Correct. So if sa changes to te, then sa is describing agraja.
So won't it be they are the elder sisters? I mean, won't it be like te agraja staha? Te staha, they are all elders.
Sa is pointing towards agraja. Sa is pointing towards agraja. So te will point towards agraje.
Agraje.
Qualifying agraja.
Qualifying.
Sa is qualifying agraja.
It's the other way around. Agraja is qualifying sa.
Okay.
Anyway, either way, one is qualifying the other. So they have to
link. So yeah. So visheshana form.
Like I said, I chose wrong example. We will redo this same example with better, with better words next time. I'm sorry about that. Sorry for confusing you all. Astu. I will explain after the class more, Mahoday. Since you seem to know Visheshana Vishesha Bhava, we'll talk about it after the class. So we saw, what did we see? Ditya Vibhakti is Karma Padam. That's what we saw. So that is one use of Ditya Vibhakti as Karma Padam. There are a couple of other instances when we have to use Dvitiya Vibhakti. When we use the word Parisaha, Parisaha means on all sides or in all directions. So when you have the word Parisaha, you have to use Dvitiya Vibhakti. That's a rule. So Krishnam Parisaha Gopikaha Santi. There are Gopikas on all sides of Krishna. So in Hindi, for example, what would this sentence be?
कृष्ण के चारों ओर गोपियां हैं.
कृष्ण के चारों ओर. Not Krishna as a karma pada. Right? Or in English, we say on all sides. That will become Saptami Vibhakti, on or in, right? In normal cases. But when you have the word Parisaha of somebody or something, you have that something around which the other things exist has to be in Dvitiya Vibhakti. So we cannot say Krishnasya Parisaha Gopika Santi, of Krishna. So here of Krishna is Krishna's, right? Shashti Vibhakti. We cannot say that. We cannot say Krishnasya Parisaha Gopika Santi. So in Hindi, Krishna ke charo or. So that is Shashti Vibhakti of Krishna. So, but in Samskrita, we cannot do that. We have to use the Dvitiya Vibhakti form. Krishnam Parisaha. So just remember this. Whenever you encounter the word Parisaha, the word that that has something surrounding it has to be in Dvitiya Vibhakti. So Krishnam Parisaha Gopikaha Santi, not Krishnasya Parisaha. Same way, Sharkaram Parisaha Pipilikaha Santi. On all sides of Sharkara, sugar, there are ants, not Sharkarayaha. So Krishnaha, Pumlinga Shabda, it's not Krishnasya, Krishnam. Sharkara, Akaranta Strilinga, it is not Sharkarayaha, it is Sharkaram Parisaha. And same way, Napumsakalinga, it is not Gruhasya Parisaha Udyanamasti, it is Gruham Parisaha. On all sides of the house, there is a garden. It's just a rule. Whenever you see Parisaha, make the word that is surrounded in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Prashna santi va?
Mahodaya. Should I ask or no? I don't know. So Krishnam Paritaha Gopikaha Santi. Gopikaha Kartrupadam?
Satyam. Gopika is Karta.
Gopika Karta. So Krishnam is Karmapada?
Karmapada.
That's why it is in Dvitiya Vibhakti?
That's why it's in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Well, actually, it is Dvitiya Vibhakti because the word Parisaha is.
Okay.
So if Paritaha is not there, we would have said Gopikaha Krishnasya Priyaha Santi. Gopikas are Krishna's beloved.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes, so, even in our language too, right? Krishnana Suttalo. So, yeah.
Gopikaha Krishnasya priyaha santi. But in this case, we have the word paritaha. We cannot use krishnasya. We have to use krishnam.
Is equal to around.
What is that?
Paritaha is equal to around.
Around, correct. On all sides, around. Satyam, satyam.
So, Bhanumade, if we had the house is covered from all sides by a forest. So instead of on all sides, if it is from all sides, will it be different?
No. Paritaha means in all sides, on all sides, around, surrounding. Whenever you have something surrounding something else, whatever is surrounded has to be in Ditya Vibhakti.
So, is this a right thing? If we say, for example, if the house is covered from all sides by a forest, so griham paritaha vane asti, like that.
Vane santi.
Vane santi, ha.
Satyam. Griham paritaha vane santi. Satyam.
Vane will be two, no? Vanani or one.
Kshamyatam. Vanam vane vanani. Vanani santi. Satyam. Vane staha vanani santi.
Oh.
Lankam paritaha.
I was actually thinking vane, sorry. The by the forest, covered by the forest. Sorry, I was going with that. Vane.
Even in this case, it will be gruham. What is that, Ramu Mahoday?
Lankam paritaha samudram asti.
Lankam paritaha samudram asti. Satyam, satyam. On all sides of Lanka, there is a samudram. Correct. Uttama. America desham paritaha samudrani santi. Something like that.
Deepam paritaha ketakani santi.
Deepam paritaha ketakani santi. Around or on all sides of the deepam, there are insects. Uttama. One more rule. Disa paritaha on all sides. Ubhayataha on two sides also. When you have two sides or paritaha on all sides, you still have to use the Ditya Vibhakti form. So, Nrupam Ubhayataha Angarakshakaha Santi. So, the king has bodyguards on both his sides, on his left and right, or front and back, whatever, two sides. So, we cannot say Nrupasya Ubhayataha, we have to say Nrupam Ubhayataha. So, whenever you have Ubhayataha also, whatever is being on the both sides of whatever there are things on two sides, you have that word will be in Ditya Vibhakti. Sitam Ubhayataha Lavakushau Saha. On two sides of Sita, there are Lava and Kusha, not Sitayaha. In our language, we would have said Sitayaha or its equivalent. Mandiram Ubhayataha Udyanani Santi. On two sides of the temple, there are gardens. So, whenever Paritaha or Ubhayataha is there, whatever is being surrounded has to be in Ditya Vibhakti. Clear? Prashna santi va? Astu. Atra we will stop here. We have 1 minute. Chaitra Mahodaya has something to share. She attended a Sambhashana Shibira from Samskrita Bharati. She wants to share her experience. Vadatu Mahodaya.
Namaste. Okay. Aham Samskriti Bharatyaha द्वादशदिनानां सम्भाषणं शिबिरे भागं स्वीकृतवती। गत शुक्रवासरे कार्यक्रमसमापन कार्यक्रमः आसीत्। शिबिरं समीचीनम् अभवत्, किन्तु शिबिरस्य प्रथमदिनं अस्माकं शिक्षकः वयं सर्वेपि कक्षायां केवलं संस्कृते भाषायां सम्भाषणं करिष्यामः इति उक्तवान्. So I got little anxious, on hearing this. Idam shibiram mama krute va iti aham chintitavati. So have I, kind of got myself into some trouble by actually, attending this? Is it really for me? I was kind of, undergoing all this. But then, nevertheless, I kind of, got into the groove of these sessions. And even, our teacher also, Asmakam Shikshakaha, used to always tell, Sarvepi Krupaya Samskrute Vadantu, Sarvepi Krupaya Samskrute Prashnan Pruchantu. So yeah, I guess many of us were in the same boat, but then I guess all of us, we kind of sailed through comfortably. But yes, it was very, it was my first Sambhashana Shibiram. Bahu upyukta asit. And yes, that's it. Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada, Mahoday. So I'm sure you have noticed that she's speaking many sentences in Sanskritam, and that's just from a 10-day course. So the next time you see a Samskrita Bharati Sambhashana Shibiram, please attend it. It will do wonders to your Sambhashana skills. And in effect, it will also do downstream effect is it will help your language skills. Because when you can speak quickly, it means you're forming sentences in your mind very, very quickly, which means you can write quickly, you can understand quickly, you can speak naturally. So the next time such a Shibiram happens, please attend it. Chaitra Mahoday, if you come across such a Shibiram, please let us know.
Mahoday.
Dhanyavada. Bahu uttamam asti Mahoday.
Dhanyavada.
अस्तु समापयामः. अनुपमा महोदय कृपया मङ्गलश्लोकं करोतु. सर्वे म्यूट् मध्ये भवन्तु.
आं महोदय. ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. हरि ओम.
श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरि ओम. धन्यवादः.
धन्यवाद.